I will complete this one also. Then I will give the brief. So, so we have seen that what are the different three address code normally basic representations. So now what is main here? Most of the times people ask here, or write down. They will give you one statement and they will ask you that write the quadruples and triples and indirect triples representation. So these are all three address statements only. This implementation of three address statements we can do in the this notations: quadruple, triple, indirect triple. Nothing is there. Just first just convert the given expression into the three address code statement. Okay, after you three address code statements, so just you have generated three address code statements. So I have given x equal to a plus b star c ma, x equal to b plus a plus b star c. So this what I have to do is I have to just use that. So this is the given expression a plus b star c. Now this I need to write into the form of three address code statement. First you need to write the three address code statements. So but I have no, here I am directly I have explained in the here. So if I write it, what's one? T1 equal to first b star c. T1 equal to, this is b star because this is the highest priority. So this is I have replaced into the T1. So T1 equal to, so I will write T1 equal to b star c ma. Next one T2 equal to, so now next what is T2 equal to, first this is already b star c is already placed into the T1. So now T2 equal to a plus T1, a plus T1, because b plus b star is already in the T1. This is very easy. Writing three address code statements are very easy. Next, finally I need to, this T2 I am just placing in the x equal to just T2. Nothing is there, just very easy. So now this is a three address code statement, three address statements I have generated. Now after three address code statements I am just writing the quadruple representation. It's a record structure with a four fields. What are those four fields, ma? What are those four fields? The first field is called operator. You can take whatever it may be. So here I am writing in a different way. Operator and argument 1, argument 2 and result. Argument 1, argument 2, result. So what it is, so I think I will increase some font size. Okay, T1 is equal to, so now what is here result? Here operators actually here I am taking in the different. Argument 1 is B, argument 2 is like C here. These are the arguments 2 and this result is like T1 like this. Operators are actually these are the operators I have taken here different. Result is like T1, T2, X. These are the results. So these three address code statements I am just writing in the format. So first statement T1 equal to B star C. What are the operands? Argument 1 is B, argument 2 is C, operator is star, and the result is stored into the T1. And the result is stored into the T1. That's it. Next, in the next statement, first argument 1 is A, argument 2 is T1. Next, operator I am using plus, and T2 is the result I am storing. So it is not required every time two arguments. So some statements it may generate a single argument also. Here I don't have any argument, first argument. I am just taking, it may be 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. It's a T2 is a one more argument. Here just I am assigning and the result is stored into the X. So that's it. These are nothing but quadruple representation. Understood? Just 3 address code statements we are arranging in such a way that operator, argument 1, argument 2 and the result, where we are storing these 3 address code statements in one format. That's it, quadruple representation. Next. Next is triple representation. So what is the disadvantage in this quadruple representation? Can anyone tell me? What is the disadvantage? What is the disadvantage in representing quadruple? Can anyone tell me, please? What is the disadvantage? Wastage of space. Good. So what I have to do then? What I have to do to overcome that one? So in order to overcome that one, I need to go for, here I'm increasing font size. So advantage is, first of all, you see that advantage statements we can move anywhere, because we are storing in the, some temporary variables. The statements can be moved easily. So that is the one advantage. And what is the disadvantage? Disadvantage is, so wastage of memory, because too many temporary variables, because we are using too many temporary variables, so it is taking more space. And coming to the triples, why in order to overcome this problem, we are going for the triple representation. So what we are doing, just we are avoiding, instead of temporary names into the symbol table, we are just referring to the directly value. See example. See here, same, instead of I'm just operator, argument 1, argument 2. So instead of temporary variable 1, temporary variable 2 and 3, just what I'm doing is, here I am just directly giving the statements 1, 2 and that's it. So here, instead of temporary variables, I am directly giving the numbering as the statements. So that I can minimize the space. So that is what our intention. So here, what is star B? This can be, it is the first statement. And so here we are getting, next one is some operator and the statement 1, and we are placing 2. So and finally we are placing X. So here, what is advantage? No wastage of memory. No wastage of memory. Still one more here, there is a still, we can actually, we are pointing the statements. So that is pointing to the directly statements is difficult to move, actually difficult to move. So for this purpose, actually we are going for indirect triples. Indirect triples. Indirect triple, what you are doing is, just this pointers, this one I am storing, I am giving to the some address. 2, I am showing it to the, I am giving the address, because in order to point to the address, the moving of the statements becomes very easy. So that's why I am giving the addresses. 2, I am giving address 101, X I am giving the addresses 102. So same thing, triple representation, but whereas for the statements, I am giving it as a, I am maintaining separate pointer table. I am maintaining separate pointer. Instead of pointing directly to the statements, I am pointing to the through address. So this is what? Pointer table. So this is indirect triple representation. This is called indirect triple representation.